Hi everyone, welcome to Naa's Kitchen. How are you all? I hope you're doing well. Yes, today I have here with me 3 fruits, 1 papaya, a honeydew, and a cantaloupe. And I have some milk as well. I'm going to teach you how to make a simple comfort food you would really enjoy this summer. So let's just get into it and get started. So next I'll have to cut up my papaya and put it in my bowl. You can cut it up any sizes you want. So I'm done cutting my papaya here. I would go in next with my honeydew. Next, we're gonna cut up our honeydew. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up. Time to cut it up. I'm gonna dice it up as well, just like I did with my papaya. Okay, so here we have it. So here we have our cantaloupe. So we're gonna cut up our cantaloupe. Cantaloupe, honeydew, and papaya. Cut up, all prepped, ready for our milk. So I'm gonna mix up my fruits. Evenly disperse it all over the bowl. Okay. So next, I'll come in with my evaporated milk. And stir it again. my last and final step will be to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes. And then you can go ahead and serve it. So here we have it.